Okay, looking to do a quick unboxing of the Pyrex Cook and Store oven to fridge set of 9 containers. Okay, so before the video starts, if you could just take a moment to hit the subscribe button, this would be very much appreciated. And if you like it, please like at the end also. As you can guess, I'm trying to now raise my YouTube subscribers up to the new required amount that's been prescribed by YouTube for obvious reasons. Okay, so inside there's the 3 different shapes. Although I have noticed that the lid of this one doesn't quite match the Pyrex and colour of the other lids. Okay, so start with this one. Inside there are another 3 dishes. Carpeting obviously to protect from the glass hitting against the other glass. All in all, okay, no issues with that. Lid fits well. Okay, this one seems a bit odd. Looks like it's a completely aftermarket lid. There's no Pyrex markings on this at all. Brown paper in there to help protect the sides. And the final lid all fit fairly snugly. I'm sure will loosen over time. These dishes are marked Pyrex, where the lids are. Well, much easier to get back on and get off. The sets contain 9 separate dishes of different sizes. Okay, so within the set you get 3 square dishes with the lids, 3 round bowls with lids, and 3 rectangular dishes with lids. So the 3 square dishes you get sizes range from 2.2 litres, which is 25 centimetres times 22 centimetres, 1 litre, which is 20 centimetres by 17 centimetres, and 0.3 litres, which is 14 centimetres by 12 centimetres. You get the 3 round bowls, which is a 2 litre, which has a 21 centimetres diameter, a 1 litre, which has a 17 centimetres diameter, and a half a litre, which has a 14 centimetres diameter. And then our 3 rectangular dishes with lids, 2.6 litres, which is 28 centimetres by 20 centimetres, 1.1 litres, which is 23 centimetres by 15 centimetres, and 0.35 litres, which is 17 centimetres by 10 centimetres. All the bowls are marked Pyrex and made in France. All the square lids are marked Pyrex, but all the circular lids are not, and are clearly a slightly different colour and different texture. So the Pyrex Cook and Store are recommended use in traditional and microwave ovens. In the dishwasher's okay, obviously store things in the refrigerator and the freezer. Do not use on top of stoves, including electrical hobs, gas burners and ceramic hobs. Do not use hot dishes on cold and wet surfaces. Do not use cold liquids in hot dishes. Do not use scouring pads or abrasive powders for cleaning, and obviously advises against using chipped dishes. And obviously the plastic lids will be unsuitable for any heat, as they are not heat resistant, they're just simple plastic lids, but obviously used for sealing when putting in freezers or fridges. Okay, so they're stackable, so easy to store, supposed to have a thermal shock of 220 degrees C, dishwasher safe. They're suitable for the freezer, minus 40 degrees, and obviously suitable for the fridge. They should be oven safe without the lids up to 300 degrees C, and obviously microwave safe without lids again. So obviously don't use these lids in the microwave. So extreme resistance borosilicate technology, 4 stars. Minus 40 degrees, plus 300 degrees, BPA. And these are made in France and have a 10-year guarantee. Again, as you can see, there's no Pyrex stamping on the circular lids. But there is Pyrex stamping in the circular bowls. Again, as you can see, there is Pyrex stamping in the square and rectangular dishes and on all of the lids. And some safety marks on the lids as well. Supposedly safe up to 80 degrees C, refrigerator and fridge and dishwasher safe. After taking them out of the box, obviously there was cardboard to help protect the dishes inside, but when you'd be using them on a daily basis, that wouldn't be the case. You wouldn't be using cardboard. So they should be durable enough to store within each other. So for 9 bowls and dishes, should take up a minimal amount of space in your cupboard, and obviously if they are being used in full, they're stackable within your fridge or freezer.